Good day everyone, my name is Lorenzo Velasco Robillos from BIT Auto 28. Today I discuss you how how works the diesel engine. A diesel engine works through a 4-stroke cycle. The intake, compression, power, and exhaust. The intake is air is drawn into the cylinder as the piston moves down, and the compression is the piston moves up, compressing the air. This raises the air temperature significantly. And the next one is a power. Diesel fuel is injected into the highly compressed hot air. And lastly is the exhaust. The piston moves up again, pushing out the burn gases through the exhaust valve, completing a cycle. Unlike the gasoline engines that use a spark plug for ignition, diesel engines rely on the heat generated by compression to ignite the fuel. This design contributes to diesel engines' efficiency and higher torque output. A diesel engine is an internal combustion engine that ignites fuel through the compression rather than a spark. And it typically uses a diesel fuel, which is ignited when highly compressed air in the cylinder reaches a high temperature. This is the process drives piston converting energy into mechanical work, powering various vehicle and industrial machinery. Diesel engines are known for their fuel efficiency and torque.